Hi everyone. So I know it's been a while since we've been doing math, and I thought it would be a good idea to review some fractions and use it in a real life situation. So yesterday I was making some vanilla confetti cake. I know how much we all love vanilla cake. Let's clap it up for vanilla cake. I know our favorite. So as I was going through the ingredients, I noticed that I had my mix that I was going to pour into my bowl. And then after that, I needed 1 1/4 cups of water. But I ran into my first issue, and that was that I only had my 1/4 measuring cup. I didn't know where the 1 cup was, so I had a little bit of an issue. So Miss Jackal can only find her 1/4 measuring cup. How many times will I have to fill my 1/4 measuring cup to have enough water? So here I go. Don't count, but here I am measuring it out. And after that, I needed to add my oil. But again, I was running into the same problem. I only had my 1/4. So if I only have a 1/4 measuring cup, how am I going to measure my oil? So I want you to think about that, and how would you do that? So next thing you know, my cake was ready. But this was the thing. I baked my cake separately. I made a small one for me, and then I made this one for my dad and my uncle. And that's because they didn't want frosting on theirs. I don't know if it was because it was pink or because they're dieting, but they didn't want frosting on there. So I made two separate cakes. So this fraction of the cake was mine, and this fraction of the cake was theirs. My dad and uncle didn't want their cake frosted. What fraction of the cake will have frosting and what fraction of the cake will not have frosting? And then what I want you to do is I want you to write a fraction that's equivalent to the cake that's frosted, and then a fraction that's equivalent to the cake that's not frosted. Here I go, frosting my cake. And then this is going to be the worksheet that's included in your Google Docs. So it's going to be attached. I want you to open this up, and you will, read this question over, and you can type your answer on here. And you'll do that for all three of them. And you can refer back to the directions for the cake to help you answer your questions. And if you have any questions, I'll be here. Good luck, guys.